Good morning. I'm here with one of my lovely patients who came to Deuk Spine Institute with a long history of back pain. If you watch her surgery, you'll see she's had fusion done on her spine. She's also had fusion done on her SI joints. And the fusion to the SI joints included putting in 3 huge screws on one side, 2 big screws on the other, and you went through pretty rough recovery. It turned out they didn't even work. She continued to have pain in her SI joints afterwards. She came to Deuk Spine Institute for our revolutionary breakthrough procedure to treat sacroiliac joint pain, which is called the Deuk Plasma Rhizotomy for sacroiliac joint pain. Tell us how you feel today. Do you still have the same pain you had before surgery?
Absolutely not. I feel 99% different from yesterday already. Amazing.
Now, you're not better because we gave you pain meds to take.
No, I didn't take any pain meds yesterday. I came in, my pain level was probably at a 7-8 yesterday, and now there's no pain today. It's just it's a little swollen in the back, but there's no regular stabbing pain that I normally have every day since 2016. And I've gone through 2 fusions, which was a huge recovery period, and which made me even worse. And this is the first day I felt good in a long time.
What did the doctors tell you about SI joint fusions? How come they got you to do that procedure? You must have been in a lot of pain.
Well, I went through many ablations before that, and nothing ever helped. I probably had 40 to 50 ablations or injections in the last 6, 7, 8 years. And then they would do so many ablations, then they'd do a surgery, a fusion. Then we'd do a whole nother group of ablations, and then we'd do another surgery. And my last surgery was 2024, and nothing has changed since that.
How did that affect your life, living in pain?
It just limited my life. Working, I'd have to take a break every once in a while just to lay down. The only way to get rid of my pain was to lay down. And that's kind of inconvenient when you're working or living your life. I had a hard time traveling because it's hard to sit in airplane seats. Have a hard time in the car for a long time. Sitting around the house, I had to lay down every once in a while. I can't ride a bike. So it's definitely inhibited my life very much since 2016. And now it's 2026. So it's amazing.
Why did you decide to go through with the Deuk SI joint pain?
Because I came here probably a year ago and we looked at some other things. We tried some ablations, we tried injection, and it was your recommendation. And it was excellent to do that because it's just whatever happened yesterday, whatever you did is amazing. Because I went to bed last night and said, I feel pretty good considering I just had a procedure today. And I did not take any painkillers yesterday, which I usually take at least Advil. I didn't take anything yesterday when I left here, which is amazing. And I'm here this morning and I feel great. I can't get over it. I can't wait to ride my bike, and just to live life.
What Deuk Spine Institute has done over the last 20 years is figured out exactly where back pain is coming from. And there are 30 specific causes or sources of back pain. They're individual joints, discs, sacroiliac joints, piriformis muscles, bones. And what we do with each patient is we look at each of those causes and we rule out each cause and rule in causes until we know exactly what's causing your back pain.
Yeah.
And then we recommend a specific treatment that goes in and treats exactly that condition and nothing more, nothing less. And it's a permanent treatment that gets rid of the pain.
Well, I feel it today. I feel a difference today. I can't believe how well I slept last night, considering I just had a procedure yesterday.
With the SI joints, there's 5 pain nerves on each joint that go out to the joint. And I went in with the plasma one and destroyed all 5 pain nerves permanently. So hopefully this will never come back and you can live life normally and enjoy yourself.
Well, I'm forever grateful for you, doctor. I'm telling you, I feel like $1 million today.
Thank you for sharing your story with the world.
I'll be happy to share with everyone, I promise you.
And one thing is, we talked about, you don't need to come back.
I know, that's unbelievable.
After our procedures at Deuk Spine, there's no real follow-up because you just go out and live life and go on and be normal.
Well, I can't thank you enough. This is life-changing for me. Thank
Congratulations.
you. Appreciate it.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
All right, let's get you out of here.